Alright, let's do okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's working. And now let's do. Oh, cool, bro. Now why do I need this one? Let's do if I this and let me do one thing. Storage thing. Storage. Must be remember. Uh, it must be walking, I think. Building. Oh, okay. Um, mm, that's it, I think. Uh, yeah, okay, that makes sense now. Oh, looks good. Though I think must be working. All right. Mm-hmm. So basically today, let's just see if I can speak properly or not. Let me just take this here. Uh, yeah, very long one. Okay, nice here. Cool. And right. All right. I think I need to check whether my system is working or not. Mm, all right. Alright, I think I need to check whether my system is working or not. Mm, alright, is it? Alright, I think I need to check whether my system is. Oh, mm, I think I need to check whether my. Think I need to check whether my system. All right, I think we are good to go. I'm just checking out my audio thing. Is it properly working or not? Apart from that, let's just say, so we have, I've started this. Okay, this is for another. We need to go to the folder. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna give you a preview of what I'm building right now. So I've been working, like I'm not working so much on the software on this side project, but I was just practicing Vue.js, Laravel. So I built a lot of, I mean, I built a lot of things in this side project, which is expense tracker basically. So, and today I'm gonna add a few features. Like the main thing is, initially I wanted to build the AMI tracker, like so that I can track my AMIs, the how much interest I'm paying and things like that. Okay. And I was thinking about to integrate the AI in this so that I can get more info, but that's far away from that. But right now I was just thinking like my EMI thing is not working properly, so I wanted to make sure that that works perfect first of all. And the second thing is I wanted to make sure that that I have the features that I want to build in that app because this was the core feature that I wanted to build, but that's not completed yet. So I'm gonna work on that. I have some QA reviews on as well, so I'm gonna work on that. And third thing, I'm gonna add feedback from up there because I have almost about 60 users right now, so I can just get some feedback so that it can be useful for them as well. So let's just start this, and I'm really curious because this is the first live recording that I'm doing, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen right now because anything can be revealed. But if by mistake I reveal any sort of API key or anything, so please need to inform me about that as well. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the folder, and I made a shortcut for the uh, for the artisan. If you don't know artisan, like if you are a developer, then you obviously know artisan. But I made a shortcut PHP artisan. So here I will type the ASR, which will serve the application on this URL, and just open here. Okay, this is the URL. Okay, and uh, I open this on the side as well. So if you go up here, basically I need to use the test account. So for that, I think, all right. So for that, I think I have to do something. Um, all right. So what I think that's up. That's okay. I need to run the backend as well. So this is the backend. I need to run the front end basically. So we'll turn it like this and cd to pack for that content and then run that and it's there. All right, so there we go. So let's just add some expenses, right? But this is not the feature that we're gonna build, and let's just add first. Now salary is going to be income, so first income, let's just say, and let's just add it here, so it's visible here. So it's totally responsive. If you keep it like this, it's gonna come up like that. Okay. So mostly the main goal for me used to be the mobile app because I I think the main goal is because mostly people use on applications that are on their mobile, but this is not an application. This is the web. So, but to make sure that everyone can use it on their mobile phone, so I just kept that as uh, mobile responsive website so that anyone can use it easily. So what are you gonna do? You see the recurring tab here. There are no recurring expenses. So first, so I'm gonna do a discussion with the ChatGPT or even Cloud. So in that we're gonna discuss like how we can keep this form, like how we're gonna manage, and what would be the database structure, and apart from that, we're gonna do one more thing. Um, yeah, and the third thing is to see how much money I pay monthly, how much money I paid till now, and the interest as well. So we're gonna keep that track. All right. So let's just start the cloud here. Um, uh, Mm, बच्चे बच्चे all right. So, mm, okay. Let's just say, I think I already have a project here. So let's just say, I want to build the recurring expense tracker feature in the same application, in which, um, for example, I'm using Netflix, Netflix, and I have few EMIs. So I wanna track them and wanna add a, okay, just keep it simple. I'm gonna track them. So the core thing that I want to know about my expenses is how much money I paid till today since I started paying for that recurring expense, and if it is a EMI, then how much interest I paid, with total amount I paid. Also, I wanna see how much. I wanna see the list of all MIs, recurring expenses. I wanna see MIs, recurring expenses, and there's a listing. You need to help me to create a table for this. I and It will help me to build the table for this, and the term that we need. I already have a structure for this. For this picture, I shall be share. So I keep files with the UX UI that I have already. I think that's enough. I may have missed few things, but I think that's way enough for this to understand what I'm trying to build. For now, I'm gonna give him, or whatever, I'm gonna give the file that I have, in which I think for that, I think I have register settings stats, not from login home. I don't know which file is that. Register settings stats, is it? No, stats is different. So I need to see basically. Um, is there any? No, no, no. View is not able to be on this page. Well, I can figure it out. So it should be in home and then expense list. And in expense list, there must be a income column, and then we have the mobile view, recurring expenses. Yeah, that's it. That's what we need. right? The bottom sheet, transition root, and instance must be here, but it's supposed not to be here. All right, this is about recurring expenses and recurring expenses released. Okay, good. So we're gonna give this to the cloud, and then we got uh, create recurring expenses. We're gonna give it to the cloud. Okay. All right. This is another thing, the UI thing that we have to send. Let me just add um, Netflix. Mm, and the date we need to change. Okay, this is monthly plan. Let's just try creating it. Okay, it's working, but it's not yet working properly. And let's just say EMI, and let's just say payment on first 31. First one, let's just say okay, it must not be 31 of first because this date I don't know like how I created this before, but now I think it must be uh, so it must be working right now. I think I need to see that it works properly. So we're gonna give this screenshot to them, and here we have the screenshot pro, and this is a screenshot of phone. Mhm. Let's just take it. All right. Uh, um, uh, uh, all right. I think I don't know what is that, but let's see. Okay, that's all. Let's just see what it does now. Views and flow. I think we've said already a lot of things. We need to wait for this. And guys, I don't talk too much about I don't talk too much about what I'm doing and all these things. But if you are really interested in watching like how I'm gonna build this thing by using cloud, so then you guys will be uh, so the main problem that I see, it must be able to understand that I've sent the view file with this bot, and it should understand that I'm not using the React. I need to specify that. That's the wrong thing. Well, I'm using Vue.js, not React. And for backend, Laravel, I don't need to specify that. All right, and we're gonna review the code that is gonna give to us, and then step by step we can understand like how these things work. Recurring expense from interview. I think I must create another component for this because this is very confusing. In Vue, we're gonna keep a component directory then. I think we already have a component directory. This is about layout. So there we go. Expense list and out. In this, we're gonna do create expense list. Sorry, is about using expense dot view. Okay, form must be different, and then dot view, and distinct will be different. I don't know. Let's just see. There's a phone thing, and it says good. Okay, looks good. The total paid. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, got it. So if you look at this, it says expense total page, you get total paid. Okay, this is for the backend, and well, we need the front end for now, and we're gonna use it like okay, clicking expense form dot view. Let's copy and paste it here and see what it is doing right now. Okay, we are using this Lucid. That makes sense. But cool. This is the phone, right? Which is the MI here. Alright, that makes sense. So based on that, we're gonna use this recurring expense form up there. I think it must be fine as recurring expense form. Wait. It's already there. Wow, can I miss this? I need to clear this. So I don't need to comment this. Let me just directly paste it here and see what does it do. And perhaps, by the way, this is the thing that I don't like about this because it changes the whole layout because it's too big, and that is the thing that I don't like about this. Well, let me just say design is quite simple and minimal. I feel that way, but I think I'm gonna remove the labels from every input that we have here because I will try to minimize the space we have. Okay, say this, and in here, if we have, okay, I think in here we can try doing the cap. I'm not really aware of CSS thing, but I can just try like give this this CSS. Okay, this looks good, but not really. And if you're gonna give it three, I think that is all gonna work. Okay. And instead of typing here the instead of typing instead of okay, let me just say MD3, let's say three, right? Okay. And then we have this principal amount, which we're gonna use as placeholder here, and the principal amount, principal amount. Let's just say just an example, and let's just remove this as well now, and then annual interest rate. So I am creating this by like manually because I just really uh, don't want to waste a lot of time with chatting about this because I don't think it will be helpful because again I have to do some things by using my own hands, so I don't think that would be useful for me. So just to save some time, I think that would be the better thing if I can code them manually like this. All right, that's fine. This is clever. And what if we can use it here? I think can we think we can, but this is quite. Let me just say this like this. What about this? Yeah, let's working, and then we have to add the margin here, and the payment day we need to add there. Okay, cool. So in placeholder in Slack by default we need to select option. Okay, select payment day, which is disabled. So and here we add this, and the first payment date must be in this is input, then the placeholder will be first payment date. That's cool. And recurrence. Okay, and recurrence like monthly, weekly, whatever. This user should not take, I think, more than 2 hours, maybe. I don't know. But I think if we have, I mostly think that we are not going to have this option. But quarterly, I haven't seen that someone's gonna have a EMI quarterly. I have never seen that, by the way. But we will keep an option here, and then we will take a select request tab. That's cool. All right. Here we have the button, and let's see now how the output looks like. Oh, this is quite minimal, bro. And you say subscription bill other. It should be typed by default, I think. So go here and you say option, and it should be value null and disabled. On option we say select type, and it must be then. Oh, that is disabled. Disabled means it won't be showing here. No, I mean when we open this, it must show. It must be selected. It must be selected, I think. I don't know why it's not getting selected. Select type must be the first value, select payment day. And how's the select payment day working then? Select payment day is disabled, option value null. And then select type must be disabled then. Alright, looks good. And we can add the MI option here as well. And then we're gonna do one more thing here, which is select payment day. And oh, that's a select payment day. And in here we need to say something, right? And I think we can move this column. Do we really need the first payment date? I don't think so. Common fields select payment day. Where it is select payment day, and then we go first payment date. There we go. Uh, first payment. Let me just see how it looks like. Payment day. How does it look like? Okay, it look like this. That's totally annoying. Right, that's quite simple right now. And let's just say ChatGPT. Here's the component for form. Do not make changes for style. Keep it as it is. But I want to use a date because the calendar. mm, Just want to make sure that it does have it is similar. similar to your skin content that 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 provided earlier. Um, Let's see. I will compare the compare that, right? Let me change enhance the calculate my method to be more precise. Mhm. Okay, you have my component and my component. Please, okay, make the necessary changes and return make the necessary changes and return with fully functional. Okay, now we're gonna wait because this is sort of autopilot thing now, and we don't have to like type anything. That is quite easy, but when it for that you must have the knowledge to make things work automatically, right? So you should be good at understanding the syntax, nothing else. It will be way easy for you. I feel that that's very easy thing. Mhm. Mhm. What's wrong with the microphone? That's fine. Then I need to take a refresh here. So when I compare the cloud with ChatGPT, I think cloud is way more, I think, useful. Useful in the sense because you give the code to the ChatGPT, it does not display this way. Sometimes it just gives you the output and then you have to copy and paste sometimes. In way of understanding the context, it's way behind than that. Sorry, the ChatGPT. I was watching Kirat, Kirat Bhai's video, so I got an idea like before that I was using ChatGPT, but right now like since I watched his video, so he was saying that cloud is better in like when you performing coding related tasks. So since then I'm like they from I don't know what's happening with this. Okay, so then I started using it and I got way very comfortable with this, and I think it's almost better. I think there's no problem with it. How much time it's gonna take? Mm, just the library. Just write code. Let's see what it does. What it does. What it does. It should be working, bro. Sometimes get very difficult for you to do that thing. But I think that's almost easy and quite interesting. I don't even know that what I'm talking right now. I'm just I'm just kind of guy who used to work, but I can't even write code when music is like if you say like I'm the company and the music is uh, guys playing music in the background and I can't code like that. So I need a full focus space. But right now I'm trying to manage that because it's not an easy thing for me to code like that. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, just give me the script and then template. Let's see if the script part works, then it must be working. Cool. That's done. Now let me know if you no, please share the now I'm gonna get the template and it must be working. Okay, cool. There we go with the template. Let's just see. I want to see like I want to make sure that template works first. And then we're gonna play the script. I think that must be working. A component here. Then I ask for the script here. All right. I think this is working it. What we are missing here, I don't know. I really don't know. Let us cool. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Now see the template. Is it fine or not? Bro, that looks fine. And even the small same as it is, right? But I don't think that anything has changed right now. Till now. EMI is there. That is since the example. This seems to be same template that I was doing. First one must be here. That is okay. Let's just try to build things manually because I don't think I'm gonna. It gave us the like what we need because that will do the component X. Okay, we'll see that in the later. Okay, I think now we need to get to the part. Okay, so first what we need. Let me see if there is an option to draw something like to discuss something. I want to see uh okay, we got the we got so component X. Okay, let's just fix this issue first. We need to have the component here. We need to have the X component is here. Are we using it? Are we using X component? Yeah, we do. So for that, I think I need to create components here and then X. That works. Must be. Alright. So this issue must not be there. Let's see. Okay, it's coming up here. We remove that. Alright, looks good. But now the design bit changed. Okay, not a problem. We'll handle that. Come to the main part. It's a restricting looks good. So first thing, we need to gather the information. What information we need? We need the which type of recurring expenses it is. Name doesn't matter, amount does matter. Payment day, last payment day. What's this for? The first payment date. You know what? I'm just confused about one thing. Let's just ask Cloud, how does the logic of the requirement should be um should I handle the logic on front end or back end? What data I need to perform actions as a senior? Um, do explain in short sentence because you yeah. Let me take down the logic distribution and requirement. EMI calculation, monthly amount, total interest, etc. Keep this in front end for real-time feedback. That's perfect. Date manipulation notation, formatting notation, store based data, principal interest rate, tenure, payment dates. Calculate running totals and payment history. Track payment status. Store and date collections calculations. Store and date calculations. Handle missed payment tracking. Payments tracking. Cool. And in here I have everything. I think 10 months total interest, everything. I think I already did that for my fixed terms of 6 minutes. So I think I need the labels, but I'm not sure. Store and date calculations, handle mesh payment tracking, database field needed. Cool. Typical front-end data integrity on backend. Use frontend for user experience and get feed. Cool. So here I want it to do something for me. Show him assembly, attend it. There are things that are quite good here, by the way. But I first payment date is has to be done differently, which is required. I must say level for this. I'm gonna add label, okay, and I will say first payment date. If we don't need labels for other, what the hell is this? First payment date is disturbing here. Let's go here and say first payment date, just pretty bad. Font text. We have some, I think this must work. Something, but not really. They are adding the border on this, which is not bad at all. Mm, how can I avoid first payment date? I need to see how can I in this contract translate and to avoid first payment date because I have to understand minimum as much as possible, as much as possible, and then how okay, I think it might is possible, but you can only do reading it first and like okay, what I'm gonna do right now, we have for EMIs first payment date will start next month from loan disbursement. Auto set first payment date to next month's first payment date. That is good, but we still need to ask for the payment date. Okay, I got an idea. I think we did that wrong. We really, I think we can keep this here as it is, and then ask for the MI spec box, and then get the information, then do the necessary changes. I got it. So, one thing we are sure here. Okay, all right. We got to change this back right now, and let's just do something. If I am changing to the EMI, there must be name, principal amount, annual interest rate, tenure, and monthly EMI, first payment day, first payment day, and the first payment day. Recurrence monthly is the default thing. I think for me, monthly is the usual thing. Let's just keep it for monthly right now, and then we will think if we need something else. Can we just divide them in the small section? Like, can we? Okay, this is the final. See, this is the final component for me. And please do one thing. Uh, Convert the create two columns in each row. That means two input boxes, two input boxes in one row. just to keep this, you know, make sure you don't change the redesign. That must be working now. Let's see if it is working. Okay, cool. Uh, no, 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 no. थोड़े दिनों तो Okay, is it done or what's going? Cool. I think there we get that. What does it say? Change form script form. Okay, we need to change the form here. Form class basically. Let's just go here and commenting for the backup right now. Let's see if it works. Then we're gonna change it. And button must be course and to submit. Okay, I need to see. Oh, that is quite better now, but I don't think it will be looking better on mobile. That's not bad though. I need to add the classes to the button right now. So we have this split expense, which is in the edit mode. So it does say course and to full width. Cool. So भैया जी, where we are with full course and to see looks good. Okay, ये सही दिख रहा है तो we're gonna apply this here. Cool, looks good. And there we go. And this could be, and last one must be, in, we can just, I think we can specify, I think if we want grid call, if we want call span to, it must be same. Yeah, looks good. All right. So these are the fields must be going to the database, and let's see if we are able to do that. So see the network here, and we will start MI, and let's say common leave say 50,000, which is I'm basically gonna INR, but let's just say 50,000, and then we interest rate will be around 16%. Let's just in this case, and the tenure will be, and let's just try to be a realistic usual tenures for car loan and employees. And let's just say it is to what what is the normal car loan tenure for car usual car I 12 months to 84. Okay, I'm gonna take 84 months, which is 7 years. I don't know. So I'm gonna use 84 months. To monthly MI principal amount is different, bro. Monthly MI must be principal amount. I don't know principal amount. What is principal amount? Principal amount means give me a bank balance. Um, Principal amount 25,000. Car price. Let's just keep it in the dollar. Keep it in the INR. I want to understand. Like I want to really want to relate with this Honda City loan, and we're gonna use here the um car loan, but Honda City loan and is 12 lakh principal amount, just the principal amount. Apart from interest rate, I'm not sure. Typically Indian car loan rate. That's good. I don't even know about this. And tenure will be 5 years. That is realistic. And monthly MI will be 25,000, which is also realistic. Monthly recurrence payment day will be 5, yeah, fifth of the day for the month. And first payment day must be, I don't know, it's first payment day 2024. First payment date must be 2024 or total interest of on 2000. Okay, it's the first payment date. Okay, first payment date must be for with okay, like we can use it for the for the past as well. So second of Feb, but no, it's 5th of Feb, right? And the payment is and monthly. That looks all good. Let's see if okay. The card name. I want to be very realistic. I forgot to call it card loan. Let me just say card loan for now. I want it interesting. We got some error to the interest rate in the submit. We got some issue here. I think we submit. We are getting some issue here. It says cannot reproduce total interest. And I need to see where we are here. Interest rate, principal, and let's just say total interest. Null. Oh, this is gonna refresh now. That is crazy. Column and 10% and tenure 60 monthly 25,000 left and it could be so it couldn't be but it is realistic to be honest here is put the that must be working total interest cannot read total interest where we need to find out the problem now calculate my total interest and total interest my total interest is just here or I need to go back to the cloud here. That's crazy though. I think this live is going to be very long, as slow as I could. And I'm just feeling kind of low right now. Like energy, feeling like I don't have any energy to speak. Yeah, first time experience as well, but I think crazy, crazy. Things are quite crazy. इसको बोला कुछ जाता है कर कुछ जाता है भाई ये क्या करता है यार व्यूज ऐसा दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आती चलो कुछ तो कमी है भाई इसमें भी सारा दोष चैट जीपीटी का नहीं है This is quite different. इतना आसान तो होता नहीं है बट फिर भी चीजें बिल्ड हो ही जाती हैं, तो अगर बंदा चाहे तो हो जाती है. और आई डिड नॉट इवन हैड एनी kind of experience in building things, but now it feels like चीजें हो रही हैं, like automatically it's happening right now. It's quite, I'm quite lazy about these things. I don't even walk for hours in my regular day job. That's not because I work on side project, because it's sometimes it feels like boring, but mostly doesn't. So I think it must be fine now. Lot of things, bro. Where's the wait? Where's the oh shit? I have to say that when you select Amazon, then it takes me. Oh, cool, cool, cool. All right. Okay. If you select AMI or loan, then there will be fields, and if you select bill, then I should remove the cost and two from the recurrence. Where's the sorry, bro, because you don't deserve that. So there we go. And let's just test with some basic data. Once this will be, oh, wait. Oh, इतना एडवांस नहीं चाहिए bro. So let's just monthly EMI. Makes sense. This must be edited. This must be able to edit monthly EMI. Monthly EMI. Monthly EMI. This is it. Shouldn't be read only. I think anyone can edit. Skip it. Edit. All right. Problem and so is there any problem? I don't know what's the thing there, but let me just see. Set car loan, the amount, interest rate, tenors, 50, and monthly MI 25,000, and second day 5, and stay, sorry, it would be 5 to 2024. Okay, and just try to create MI. It must be the future date is saying it must be updated. So, what if someone wants to? Okay, for now, let's just say future date must be 2025. Let's just say, but it is greater, right? It is. We got the details. It must be here. Um, will be tracker. Now in recurring, where it is recurring expenses. Oh, we didn't get anything here. What is this? That is that is not right. And how is it from here? It's not there. That is interesting, dude. So for now, let me just see why it's not visible here. I don't know. transactions and transactions. It's not in transaction though. I may be using different table. Let me just see. Let me just confirm, but I cannot confirm that. I just leave it and see if we have the data here. All right, maybe some other database name I'm using there. So we have got all the details of what we need, and that's car loan is perfect. So what next we need right now? I will show total monthly payable, which must be coming from the backend. Secondly, total paid till now backend. Total interest paid till now if there is any EMI. Okay, let me just give you an idea of what I need. Recurring expense controller. There we go. Have date index is recurring expenses. What's that? That is not even close what I need. Okay, is it working or no? That is not what we are using. So we are using recurring expenses. That means that there are PHP feedback starts recurring expenses controller, and which in which we are using the index. An index that means I don't know. Yeah, I'm using the local CSV. Am I using the local? Let me just see. I need to see if I am using the local or not. Then I need to see that CD content. All right, all right. So we are not using the local as I know right now. So for that reason, I cannot change anything in the database. But this is the data we have. We just say to him or whatever. And this is the table that we have. Oh, then if I'm gonna use that in the backend, then it's not gonna happen. Let me just change the backend URL. Um, the MV in front end. It must be the must be this. So that we have to create another thing. And all right. Okay. So I think we were. I think we were using the dev server for that. That is fine now. Hmm, what's that mean? Did not match any open here and that's fine. That's fine. We need to see must be tested query sampler one. Okay, it says that one does not match. Oh, let me just see if I can log in here. Oh, did I do this match? Select token mismatch. No, it's going to create problem now. Let me see if I can create a user. I think this is what we need. See. Hmm. All right, then this is the all right. That's working on. Let's see. Test and get example. Um, all right. Set of token mismatch. This must be resolved. And for now, I think I need to do something about it. Let's see the NV. NV is which point. जो नहीं होना चाहिए था वो हो गया. I didn't want to reveal these keys. Unfortunately, got revealed now. Not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. So here we don't have any key. Unfortunately, that's good. And in session domain, I need to pass something. I think I need to the pass this session domain. There must be a domain, and that will be working now. Let's see. Password date example.com. Oh, CSR mechanism database error in resource server. It's clear. It's clear. Mhm, mhm. Same thing, bro. Caesar token doesn't match. That is the problem. Uh, how to fix the doesn't match? Uh, I need to remember something. I don't know if I have name white have name. I think it's something kind of and you are using here. Let me just see. Let's ask for it. I don't really know what the problem here right now, but I can figure it out, I think. Because Yeah, and then again I go to the instructor. And there we have sanctum stateful domain, front-end session domain. Uh, in front-end URL, we are passing the front-end URL. Make sure we are passing that. And in here, okay, I think in here sanctum stateful white name app. Here, front-end URL is fine here. Cool. Um, Let me just change few things right now. Mm, all right, authorize JavaScript origin, create the request from my browser, just hit activate. So here I'm gonna use HTTPS as both very expands transfer the string and another URL must be shouldn't be so great problem. All right, and then application create. There is no workflow. Cool. Um, so I need to see something here in which I can say that I need to see that. Okay, localhost, that's fine. That something sort of name was there. I need to see the complete dot it. There's a post of this which is there. Content here has been already there. It's already been there. Factful. And this was the yeah, that's not gonna work anyway. So this is the front end URL here, and what else I need is down must be so local. These are the things already been added there, so I don't need to pass sector state domains, which is fine. And apart from that, I think everything is fine. I don't know why it's not working. Content developer is here, and session dominance here. Just, I think it must be cookie. No, sorry, it must be. I don't know, but this on the server, it must be cookie, I think. Yeah. So should I config today? Config cache, right? Is this one watching something called the same error I'm getting again and again. I don't know why. I maybe get some idea from cloud, but I think I was able to fix this because I had a lot of I spent a lot of time on this by fixing. I don't know it's not work. Mm-mm. No, no, I don't think it's gonna work. No. Let me just see. Take on my all we need. View across next plugin settings. Cool. Ah, that is the problem here. So we needed the cookie here. We have in session driver cookie for start session secure cookie false. Granted. So session driver we have session domain already passed localhost content URL which is the I think should I pass this here? I'm not even sure totally, but I think it could work in case I think that's not even working. Uh, so we need to do something about it. This is getting this is a big problem now, by the way. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So what we need right now is need to fix this task. Let's just fix it quickly as possible. Example.com password and cookies. No, this is the problem in cookie and writable. I feel that some sort of there must not be permission problem there. Must this version of PHP. Secondary database cookie I passed their session lifetime session expired. What is saying? Alright, I think I must be changing this. I should change this. Is not that cookies. There, these are the things really. fine here, but I need to know कि इसमें क्या चीज मिसिंग है ब्रो, इसमें क्या मिसिंग है. कंटेंट यूआरएल हमने पास कर दिया, which is totally fine. Log stack single सब सही है. Apart from that, we need to see. Apart from that, we need to see. Connection refused. That means the server is not up. Server is up. Let me see if I have fixed this issue or not. I think I'm almost there. ये तो हो गया. I think the backend URL must be perfect in the front end. So it has to be this. Correct. And ये गया अपना चल. आइडिया है कि चल जाएगा. कुछ नहीं बोल सकते भाई. Login field. Oh, these conditions do not match. Thankfully, we have fixed the issue, which is I'm gonna tell what I did to you guys. What I did in the code to fix this, I'm gonna tell to you guys. This is what I was trying to say. So, see, I did change my env in which I have added two stateful domain, sanctum stateful domains. The main thing I think the problem was in here. Look at this. So before I was running this IP address, and now I have replaced that with the domain. I don't know, this could be the problem, but I just did this change and this is working now. Nothing else I changed here. So apart from that, let's just see. Let's just create recurring event now. I think sorry, recurring expense. So what I'm trying to. Okay, and let's say this about well, I'm gonna assume that I'm doing it in INR. I don't have any idea for this. And the interest rate will be near about 16, and the tenure will be 60, and the EMI could be around 90,000. Just another example. And here I'm gonna take the date as 3, 4, sorry, 5, 5, and the next month will be 2, and then 25. Because it cannot accept the past payment tracker now. I'm gonna use that for now, like a future date. So in case like user can also have the desire to add the past date because they may be adding their recurring expense from some past date. Like maybe they are in the recurring expenses since 4 or 3 months, so they can add their past payment date here. So this is greater now, and now it says perfect. Let's say, and now we must be able to see recurring expense here. All right, there we have the recurring expense here, subscription EMI below the, and this is the payment date, total interest. I didn't get the total interest 10 every month, interest rate, visible amount, which is not good. Okay, and interest rate has to be here. First payment date has to be here. First payment date, principal amount isn't there. Principal amount isn't there. So fix the recurring expense model. Okay. In there we don't have anything for the MI. Principal amount, interest rate, 10 year length. Okay. Trust. Payment made is active. That's another thing. Manual amount is another thing. And date, first payment date, amount. All is fine now. So just give it now. Well, it must be working right now. So let me just delete this for now. So it's not coming up like this. And the bill is not even working. The edit option. Working. Oh, shit. So the principal amount was 12 lakh, and the annual interest is this, and this, and let's just say what I was saying, 9,000, right? And all is fine, right? Let's just take and see if it works. Oh, we will get that. We might be doing that. Store. So we should note again. We should create a request for this one. Let's just keep it as this. And necessary validation. Uh, so it must be able to see do that. Image specific. Yeah, cool. I think I can copy this blindly because I don't see anything wrong in it. Validation calculation. Validation EMI calculation. Because you don't need to do that. I just keep it simple for now. I don't think you should be worrying about that. The EMI calculation. Think destroy to next to okay. We're gonna use it. What's happening with me right now? Authorize validation. We don't need this. Authorize. Delete. I think we also need this, but there's one problem. You can still do one thing. As in that you need to space. What's happening? Literally, I forgot keyboard and I still can't even say. Sorry. एप्पल पे मैक पे दूसरा कीबोर्ड ढंग से नहीं चलता. Cool. if हाँ, क्या नाम था उसका? Is no, what is what uh user ID not equal to boss ID. Okay. At the time of creation, application, create this and this and this has to be imported to the class. Okay, and to run this. Cool. So let's see the user ID. Okay, we have the user ID. So it must be working. You need to fetch the data properly in the edit mode. But before that, I want to keep one thing. As the time is going on, the edit functionality will see that later. But for now, let's just do the create functionality properly. So we got the data. Cool. Now we're getting the data. Now we are since the date he started the EMI and since the date he started the EMI. Apart from that, and the total amount paid till now, and monthly monthly payment has to be 50, and then total payment um, the payment to expire and that's password then with effect this and just open with process need to see the just need and arrive arrive then token uh, con- con- which create controller connected for this create in this project and recurring expense another चेहरा सूरज है तेरे दिल च शैतानी अखियां च नशा दिसे होठां विच नरमी ओदे महीने मैनू आउंदी जावे मेरा दिल लुट जाए तू बदली बदली लागे इनके खावन लागी बदली बदली लागे पता चढ़ गया सुता के चंडीगढ़ जावन लागी I think I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored, bro. We need to play some music up here in the background. Hmm. बदली बदली लागे के खावन लागी बदली बदली लागे इनके खावन लागी पता चढ़ गया रंग कुसुता के चंडीगढ़ जावन लागी Bluetooth mode. No, 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 you don't need to connect with this. Go. I think you should connect with the disconnect fingers. Yeah, fingers should not be connected. Alright, please connect with the mobile. तो एज लॉन्ग एज आई नो भाई कितना टाइम हो चुका है पर मैं कोडिंग इससे ज़्यादा समय में करता हूँ आई मीन इससे ज़्यादा कोडिंग कर लेता हूँ right now I'm not just able to speak a lot but still I think I'm gonna finish this feature today. Just for the record, I'm using live video and I think it's interesting. I don't think anything about that. Yeah, I must. Power on. Bluetooth mode. Power on. Power on. Bluetooth mode. Hmm? Connected for audio. That is good. Connected. That is really good. Now I don't know कि इसमें कॉपीराइट का इशू वगैरह भी होता है बट कर लेते हैं प्ले क्या दिक्कत है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सर हमें बस हम चाहते हैं कि ये चल जाए चल जाए बस चल तो भाई Then message I don't know that ah that is very kind thing we need to okay now we need to create another which is gonna store the original column like this और फिर उसमें अपना एनुअल इंटरेस्ट रेट हम डालेंगे वही 12 इंटरेस्ट रेट So, saying 2025. That looks good. All right. And we say this, when we update this, it must be able to show the data, which is not showing. I think if I will update this, this is not gonna work. I just want to see if we are able to save the data here. We have the interest rate, principal amount, and that we don't have that ended. Total interest we have. Okay, 70 minutes, whatever. That is we'll see that later. We'll just delete all those. It's not really support here. And now we got the controller here. We have controller beneath there, and this is the proper model it has given to us. It's stacker. Just it here. So apart from that, uh, so this is the model here, and to use these features in your controller. And now the T-cycle the T-cycle the features in your controller get expenses. I those they have Monday have the मेरे. So in controller we're gonna put the methods like use get expense details, get dashboard stats. Monthly oh this is another one. We don't need this for now. I think we need expense, interest paid, total paid, pending payments, and this is all we need, right? I think must we just need to verify the calculation. Cost depends. That's cool. This is not already added. Type sequence. This must be there. Oh, I think we are not. We are storing this as MI, and then it must be able to do that. I think that it must be able to. What the hell? Column method get to pay method payment total attribute get monthly payment total attribute. And this is that is like get attribute what is I we don't even need this for now. I'll just say if I request this, must be able to get that. We can expense get monthly. We have it there. Only the one method we are doing here is active get monthly payment total. Monthly payment total. Yeah, monthly payment total might be not used anymore. Attribute get money. Yes, the attribute. What's the problem यार? ये तो चलना चाहिए भाई. I don't know where it is happening bro. ये तो देखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. very difficult, I think, sometimes. I need to see कहाँ पे भी है। मैं रणदीप का मैं जा भी नहीं रहा हूँ अभी। After their acquisition, this monthly limit total has an attribute, but it's defined as static method aspect of as crafting the model. That is way better. अगर मैं इस काम को करने में लग जाता भाई, मतलब हमें 2 ढाई घंटे हो चुके हैं, ये काम हो जाता मेरे लिए बहुत लंबा। कैलकुलेशन तो हो ही जाती पर टाइम लग जाता इसमें। लगदी झूठ तू जचदी पहाड़ी आन दी तैनू खड़ खड़ वेखण दी मैं बिट पाई। There we go, there we go, there we go. तकदा रहना की कप ते आ चुकण ਲਈ तकदा रहना ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਪੈਣ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੁਣ bring expense resource यानी हमें रिसोर्स चाहिए ब्राउ पूरा तरीके से तो कुछ की वगैरह तो रिवील नहीं होगी इसमें ठीक है भाई शुक्र है भगवान का तो इसको डिलीट करो यहाँ से मेल का कुछ नहीं है सेक्टर ये है परफेक्ट कुछ भी रिवील नहीं हुआ है इसमें सही है तो भाई क्या खत्म कर दिया पेमेंट इसका इसको रेडी करना है ठीक है ठीक है ओके कुछ make resource इसमें अपना आएगा रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस रिसोर्स एंड इसमें अपने पास क्या क्या करना है वो भैया जी रिसोर्स में रहेंगे तो आई use resource so now I think because index में हमें ये करा हुआ है इंडेक्स में हमें चाहिए अभी हम modify the structure return json I need to go here and which is no यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए लगभग ये यार ऐप के अंदर डायरेक्ट ना I'm just confused why I'm not getting the recommendations bro I need to install compiler restart the ID कोई बात नहीं साइन इन टू गिटहब अगर मैंने गिटहब से साइन इन कर लिया तो इनको पता चल जाएगा कि मेरा सब्सक्रिप्शन खत्म हो चुका है नहीं गिटहब से साइन इन से नहीं होगा गिटहब साइट दिस साइन इन क्या क्या करूँ मैं वो कंटिन्यू क्या है यहाँ और टेस्ट करना ना बिल्कुल ऑल दैट बस भाई और अब देवांग गिटहब Copilot is ready. How अब हम यहाँ टाइप करेंगे तो ट्विटर को पायलट जी को सजेशन देना तो बनता है। हाँ, बड़ी बात। सक्सेस रिस्पॉन्स, एरर रिस्पॉन्स, बस दो ही चीज़ें चाहिए। एरर चाहिए और सक्सेस चाहिए, फेलियर नहीं चाहिए हमें, फेलियर। Status success, message, message, data, data. For that, so now use it here. Use response. Got it? अरे भाई को हिट करना मैंने यहाँ पे कौन यूज करेगा तेरा यूज करेगा अभी। मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे इसको यूज क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, और क्लास response state। अरे 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 हद होगी भी, हद होगी। ये भैया तो क्या करना है, ये हमारा this success क्या कहते हैं सक्सेस यहाँ पे यूज ना क्या प्रॉब्लम है एडमिन क्लास गोइंग ये देख लेते हैं response rate, yeah, response rate, I think it's fine now, ये भी सही है। ओके यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, डाटा। अरे डाटा तो आना नहीं चाहिए बाय द वे, डाटा आना चाहिए लास्ट में। डाटा फिर भी ऑप्शन है ना, थोड़ी सी गलतियाँ तो कर देता है ये। अच्छा कोड हमें चाहिए, डाटा हमें मे भी ना चाहिए होगी तो क्या करोगे तुम। ओके तो मैसेज हमारा नल है, यहाँ कोड ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैसेज ये रहेगा और यहाँ पे मैसेज मंथली पेमेंट टोटल। अभी ये सब नहीं चाहिए मुझे, एक में ही सब कुछ चाहिए। एक्सपेंस डिटेल्स एक्सपेंस डिटेल्स दिस get expense details। Wait, what I need to pass here, recurring expense. Why? And why is that? Because it should take the current recurring expense which must be this is about that, but it should be okay. I don't have to do that manually. I need to do one thing here. Private, private dollar model freelancers class. That's fine, but how can I use it? Can you fix it well? No, when you touch it, we need the user. We need access for that. But there's one problem. When we are fetching, we need one thing. We need one thing. Resources. I want to have this hospital. But when I am using hospital, it must be uh, alright. तो इसमें अपने पास होना चाहिए इंटरेस्ट डेट और पेंडिंग बैलेंस, पेंडिंग पेमेंट्स, Ignitions. Okay, this must be okay. Let's just keep it as it is for now. Let's see that if any problem we go and see what I change or I change the okay. Uh, right. So we need to change content bit expense list ticking expenses. Ticking expenses is here. Good. You need to go to the recurring expenses. Recurring expense just row which we are seeing the changes. Get it expenses. Recurring expenses. And it must return the data. Okay. And alright, so catch it. So I पूरा खोल दिया करो यार. ये सही है. Let's see here now. Expense details, expense, and other things. Coming payments. We need total of them. 8. Original car loan is 52535. Okay, then that just coming. That must be get what I want. Okay, I'm gonna change it later. Interest paid 0. Interest paid. Cool. So it should be interest paid, right? When we are saving the interest rate here, we can that is totally fine. Now I need to get the recurring expenses out of that, so that I think in recurring expenses in data, I will just set this. Must be working. Not working. Let's say data is no data is not defined. So this was. Let's see what is the response there. Data is not defined. In here we are reading the data, and this is what I'm trying to extract from here. I don't know. See, this is how it works. That shit, yeah. Mistake of the thinking. हो मिट्टी दाई कड़ा बना के गाना बजा के इसका भी बहुत ओके क्या है कड़ा बना के मिट्टी now this is reading recurring expenses. Cool. not reading define pixel define uh, this data I see data is here data is how can I just say that it is no, basically I don't really know the JavaScript that much. I didn't know that it will be working that way. It's gonna work now. Thank you. Wait, wait. You go this mouse and doing. These are the things. I think I must be okay. Yes. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಹಾಳಿ ವಾಳೆ ನೀ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಹಾಳಿ ವಾಳೆ problem with the first color. I don't think it will make any problem. But the problem, oh wait, that is added already because this is called. Oh, I think sometimes being smart doesn't help because you think there you go with the data and you get everything here which we don't need. So we don't need. I really want to extract the data only, so it must be working like this. We get there and then data row data. What is the problem? There should not be any data. Let's see over that. For now, let me just say push stuff. So data is this is about editing sense, a video sense. That's fine. Let's see that. For now, that is what we need, and it must be working. Cool. And reading expenses. Yes. Just three details. Cool. The details are here. We need this. Flickering details. details. I think that this isn't the right variable, but details. Details. I can just simply say that as details. That's fine. So details. And in expense list, I'm using the code UMI, and this is the component, and this is the store. This is the store again, so you can just access this. Also this store, and make it work now. The variables, the way using liquid model Japanese let's see what it comes up. But it comes up with yeah, कभी copyright ही ना दे. But still disconnected. अब वैसे पानी खाने क्योंकि ये तो फायदेमंद है नहीं जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है. मूड सा फ्रेश हो गया मूड सा. Okay. तो तो what we need सारा शहर छान डालने के बाद मुझे याद आया कि के के all right. So the channel page. दिखाएंगे क्या किलारा लोन वाली है मेरे नाम भी रहने वाली है तुम ना बुलाओ लक्ष्य नहीं बोल रहा लक्ष्य नहीं बोल रहा लक्ष्य नहीं तो क्या कहा अभी तक पता नहीं बोल रहा. Okay, so now mm, mhm. Okay, I'm getting the audio and expense form. Why is writing expense form, bro? We only need the okay. So what we got right now is this VS that we are using and method. It set some methods right now. Okay, I need to have some backup, so I'm gonna open the notes. Just to let me just create again. Um, okay. Cool. All right. Let's save it here. Now this is the old. Just to keep picking up expensive. Okay, cool. So now what we need, if active are daily in VLs we need the code that we gave was just this. माउस भी लैग कर रहा है भाई इसमें तो। ठीक है, यही चाहिए था हमें VLs। उसके बाद मेथड में एक मेथड ऐड करना है हमें, set recurring summary। आई थिंक यही ओके, आई थिंक यही होगा मेन मेथड। इसके बाद तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं होगी। मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको यहाँ पे ऐड कर देता हूँ set recurring summary, और इसमें मैं देता हूँ comma ऐड। ठीक है, आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड। और ये ऐड दिस टू कंप्यूटर, ये हमें कंप्यूटर में ऐड। तो कंप्यूटर को थोड़ा क्लियर क्लीन रखना है मेरे को। नाइस। Okay, not a problem. Let's see. Not a big thing, missing semicolon। missing semicolon उसको दिखा देना चाहिए। मेरे को नहीं पता नहीं इसका ये है missing semicolon, still missing semicolon। method ID will be missing here and क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार। semicolon कहाँ पे है? try again। We'll just see now our code async, we did async। क्या भाई भाई, इसके बाद ये क्या है async। सही है, मैं लिखता हूँ वही क्या चाहिए हमें। टेम्पलेट का ऐड कर दिया होगा ना, बट डिवाइन जैसा। सो क्रेडिटेड टू दैट इज हमें वैल्यू करनी थी 4 टू दी here। नो एरर। और इससे रिड्यूस, ठीक है, इसमें हमारे पास टीचर्स और इंस्टेंस। तो एक्सपेंस से स्टेट हमें यूज करना है डिटेल्स। ठीक है, मेथड है सेट रिकरिंग समरी। सेट रिकरिंग समरी is okay. Errors because this is not a function. Uh, and what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna type anything right now, and I'm gonna use this and say दशा प्लीज देखो इसमें क्या इशू है। समथिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर। तो इसको रिमूव कर देते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अभी कुछ बदला है तो बता दीजिए, नहीं तो फिर सेट कर देंगे। ये error है, template fine. Looking at the error message code, there are a few issues with details. Just details is an array when we are trying to use reduce on it. Let's first check what we are getting from the API modifying the store. Uh-huh. This not an array. Then what is it? Oh, details has to be. What is detail? I don't even know that. ये तो हमें पता नहीं है कि डिटेल्स क्या है, बट यहाँ पे डिटेल्स को कंसोल करके देख लिया है। डिटेल्स है यहाँ, डिटेल्स क्या है? डिटेल्स में वेट क्या है ये? एक्सपेंस है, इंटरेस्ट है, ये है। तो वी नीड टू मॉडिफाई देम, एंड क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक्सपेंस लिस्ट में जाना पड़ेगा, और जहाँ पर हमने ये जो थोड़ा सा सेट करना पड़ेगा, एंड ये जो अपना है सेट रिकरिंग, ये तो अलग ही हो गया ब्रो। इंटरेस्ट पेड, रिमेनिंग बैलेंस तो अच्छा रहा, पर इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है। टोटल मंथली पेबल, ये EMI समरी जीरो, रिमेनिंग बैलेंस पेड टिल नाउ जीरो, अपकमिंग EMI पेमेंट्स 5 cents। अगर मैं इसमें नेटफ्लिक्स डाल देता हूँ तो क्या होगा? आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ये सही से काम कर रहा है क्या नहीं। फर्स्ट पेमेंट 3, तो फर्स्ट पेमेंट क्या करता हूँ कि फर्स्ट पेमेंट होगी मेरी 1/5, नहीं नहीं नहीं, 1 तारीख को पहले महीने को क्यों सर 25 को shouldn't be the problem though यार 15 मिल जाता तो अभी क्या है अभी रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा क्या इसको 15 वाली पेमेंट इसमें ध्यान नहीं ठीक है चीज़ें तो खैर अच्छी हुई हैं और चेक रियलिस्टिक एक तो पहले मेरे को इसका ये चेंज हो गया करेंसी करेंसी नहीं चल रही है भाई इसके वजह से नहीं चल रही है आई थिंक ऐप सेटिंग्स में तो आ गया अपना करेंसी ये दिखा रहा है ये करेंसी लोड नहीं कर रहा है तो मेरे को एक चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी सेटिंग्स सर्विस जाके नहीं वी नीड टू go to सेटिंग व्यू यहाँ पे सर्विस एक्सपेरिमेंट ठीक है अभी ये नहीं चला तो अपनी इसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम ठीक है तो प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है प्रॉब्लम कुछ और है स्टेटस स्टेटस एरर तो नहीं आ रहा है कोई set reminder set income this currency which currency oh got it I need to run currency इसको आया करना ठीक है यहाँ पे हमने INR लिख लेंगे ये INR में अपना डाटा ठीक है तो इसमें टोटल पेड टिल नाउ let's create a realistic MI okay but in which I may have to allow the previous date to see if it's working perfectly then what we need is what do we need in that scenario what we need is we need what we need in that scenario we need to allow the previous state the transform which is here and first payment date and the mean tomorrow just remember this keep it as this okay I have an email which is a loan principal amount is 2 lakh and annual rate is 12%. Total tenure is, as I said, 3 year, 36 months. Okay, and I need to fix this as well. And MI is 500, 5,500. First payment date is First payment date, sorry, payment day is fifth, and first payment date is was let's say August 15. Just a random number. Is there an issue? Oh, there must be an issue with the target. So what you need to do is you need to change the total interest paid expense, type amount, first payment, required date, payment day, required date, required type amount. First payment date must be after yesterday. No, we don't do that. Cool, and it must be left there. Total monthly payable is 25,000, which is the problem. Monthly payable is 25. This is coming the wrong way. We need to see बस कि इसमें क्या इशू है अगर हम केवल ये चीज़ों को फिक्स करें तो एक्सपेंस आ गया हमने इंटरेस्ट पे टोटल पेड कैसा है टोटल पेड देखना पड़ेगा टोटल पेड अमाउंट पेड तो गेट इंटरेस्ट पे देखना ये नहीं करेंगे we are accepting this particular we are using it to user mm, oh that's correct by the way because the total amount paid we need this you know this now it will be fine zero fine and today using that one totally today and then press and start press on now why zero this should not be zero मुझे उसकी हेल्प चाहिए भाई कहाँ गया क्रोम I think something must be there to eat. Cool. And this has to be in the catalog, and this has to be in the motor. I think so. got you. ये तो हो गया चलो. मेरी यूजर आईडी एंड कैसे करें हम इसको यूज की हमें यूजर आईडी पास में रखनी पड़ेगी. कैसे 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 दया कैसे दया belongs to user class and when this auth user ये सोचते हैं अभी एंड क्रिएट कर 3 months. No, 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 no. पेमेंट डेट फर्स्ट पेमेंट डेट से अब तक. हाँ ये टोटल कर रहे हैं मंथ की सारी. दिस इज एक्टिव अपनी ये आता रहेगा पेमेंट डेट पेमेंट डेट ओके. पेमेंट डेट टोटल है बाय द वे. ओके देखते हैं क्या करते हैं. अपकमिंग वाले को क्रिएट करना है. ठीक है कर देंगे कोई बात नहीं. इसके बाद नाउ इन द कंट्रोल यू कैन गेट बोथ इंडिविजुअल एंटिटी डिटेल्स between the total details recurring expense user ID. सही है बट ये सही नहीं है यूजर आईडी. एक recurring expense model belongs to user class. Then I think this is a great opportunity to learn for me here because yeah, I don't think we need to pass ID user class. Then why do we need to pass ID here? ID here, bro. कुछ तो solution निकालो इसका. ये क्या बोल रहा है हैप्पी नाइट गुरु. वाओ क्या बात है क्या बात है. कितना टाइम हो गया भाई कितना टाइम. यूजर मॉडल. हाँ ये यूजर मॉडल में होना चाहिए. मैं ये सोच रहा था. कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ थोड़ा सा. कंफ्यूज काहे होते हो रे. काहे 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 नहीं समझ में आता रे तुम्हारे. काहे नहीं समझते हो रे. कुछ चीजें समय से समझ आती हैं समय से. टोटल वाला सीन हमारा कड़ा है. हाँ लोडिंग मांग रहा है. मुझे गाली दे रहे हैं. कैन प्लीज क्रिएटिव भाई भैया गलत आ गया. ये है रिसेंट. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. और दिक्कत ये है कि वो यूजर से आया है और यूजर से तो कैटेगरी नहीं है, एक रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस कंट्रोलर में भी है। यहाँ ये एक्सपेंस डिटेल्स टोटल टोटल लिखना है आपने सेम का कॉपी करना है तो उसके आगे बस गेट टोटल गेट तो ठीक है यूजर ये स्टडी होना नहीं है हाँ ठीक है तो भी थोड़ा चालू सही है गुड 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 ये भी सही है चलिए ये भी सही है टोटल कर दिया और रिकरिंग चेस में यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे टोटल लास्ट विंडो कर देंगे शायद क्या नहीं मिला इसको यूजर आईडी किस टेबल यूजर्स वेरी क्या ये समझा नहीं मैं कि दिमाग भी नहीं लगा रहा हूँ यार दिमाग तो लगाना चाहिए थोड़ा सा स्टैटिक ओ भाई क्या कर रहे हो चलो कोई नहीं एक्सपेंस मेरे को थोड़ा मैनुअली जाना पड़ेगा एक्सपेंस लिस्ट में जाएंगे और वही है जी स्विच का बटन ये रहा स्विच ये रहा ये सेविंग रहा रिकरिंग व्यू ये आ गया स्टेट ये आ गई ठीक है रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस लिस्ट क्या है एलिजिबल एक्सपेंस रिपीट है रिपीट जी पेमेंट है पेमेंट है एक्सपेंस पेमेंट है दिक्कत ये आती है कि रिकरिंग एक्सपेंस आ नहीं रहा है इसका रीजन मुझे भी नहीं पता ओ यार क्या करना मेरे दिमाग सच में दिमाग तो दो बार करने की तो जरूरत नहीं थी ये क्या दिमाग के साथ साथ पीछे रहता है यही पता है ये कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको चलने में आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट फिक्सिंग दिस बिकॉज दिस बर्थडे Why are they going on the same place again and again? Okay, so we get nothing in relevant. Mistake one. It summary सही है ऐसे ही बात सही है मेरे को भी ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए था डिटेल्स को मैंने अननोन होता है इसलिए टाइप स्क्रिप्ट काइंड ऑफ थिंग काम कर जाती है थी यहाँ पे डिटेल्स की तो हम रखते हैं समरी जो भी भाई सही हमें सुजेक्ट किया है और उसके बाद यहाँ पे समरी में हम डाल देते हैं उसको ओके बाकी ये नेक्स्ट मंथ ये सब चीज़ें हम यहाँ से ले लेते हैं ठीक है और भगवान की तरह से यहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट कोई recurring expenses area set summary fetch recurring expenses ये मिलेगा इसके अलावा टेम्पलेट में don't have change for template or maybe data that's already been there on the template I think that's why we don't need that error क्या है monthly payment total and reading monthly payment total I just want to make sure we are getting the same response total but ये है total में so total summary में है quick payment total monthly payment total is 0 next this is quite confusing though but let me just see तो यार हमारे पास तो API चलती हैं which we have to fix monthly payment total amount monthly payment total जो यहाँ पे है that is something because summary हमने यूज की थी चलो सही ही लग रहा है 25 26 27 तो 5 ऐड कर दो भाई कितना हो गया 20 ठीक है एक मिनट perfect this is perfect then we come to this I don't know how to calculate this let me just delete it Netflix which was original column is it was correct that has all things correct just leave this it must be updating to perfect so principal amount has to be clear confirmed properly I think I don't need to sure let me just ask the cloud for this these are the details that is see that you can see in the image and please verify it with the result on the dashboard. I'm just using the dashboard. ये जो दिखाना ना तो ये जो मेरे को बोले कंगारू ये जो बोलने वाली देखते हैं कि ये आम का पिल्ला सो कर पाएगा। मोहब्बत तेनू भी मेरे नाल होनी, चिरां तो जिन्नी मैं तेरे ते करदा हूं। जान तू हंस के भी वारती मेरे ते, तो वध मैं भी तां तेरे ते मरदा हां। दोहां दे इक्को जहे ने हां, दोहां दे इक्को जहे ने हां। मैनू जिंदगी दा पता नहीं ओ चलदा, किंज लंघदी पई है तेरे नाल, मैनू जिंदगी दा। दुआएं खोते, दुआएं खो जहे। Okay, what's the update? हाँ, तो इसने बताया है कि प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 2 लाख है भाई, 12 लाख है प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट। ओह, यही सही है भाई। 30 है तो मंथली EMI जितनी है तो, और ये है तो डैशबोर्ड का देखिए यही है। अपकमिंग है, लुकिंग एट योर करंट डैशबोर्ड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन अबे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जो रिजल्ट दिखा रहा है वो सही है कि नहीं। We need to make a few adjustments match displayed value से करके। हम asking you to do the calculation for the input values. There is there is value 5, then the displayed value and screen is correct. ਸਿੰਪਲ ਸੂਟ ਚ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਝੂਠ ਚ ਜੱਚਦੀ ਬਾਈ ਹਾਣ ਦੀਏ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖੜ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਪਾ ਲਈ ਹਾਣ ਦੀਏ। ਤੂੰ ਦੇਖੀ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਨਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਆ। ਤੇਰਾ ਚੁੱਕਣ ਤੋਂ ਭੇਜ ਕੇ ਲਈ ਸੋ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਰੋਕ ਲਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਐਕਟਿਵਾ ਕਾਲੀ ਹਾਣ ਦੀਏ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖੜ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਪਾ ਲਈ ਹਾਣ ਦੀਏ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖੜ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੈਬਿਟ ਪਾ ਲਈ ਹਾਣ ਦੀਏ। ਤੇਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਚੱਕਣ ਲਈ ਦਾ ਪੇਚ ਕਈ ਖੇਲੇ ਮੈਂ, ਦਿਲ ਜਿੱਤਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਹੀ ਪਾਪੜ ਵੇਲੇ ਮੈਂ। ਤੇਰੇ ਬੀਟੈਕ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਲਾਏ ਧੱਕੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕਈ ਲੰਮੀਆਂ ਜੀਬਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਪੇਲੇ ਮੈਂ। ਤੇਰੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੇਕ ਖਵਾਇਆ ਸੀ। ਤੂੰ ਦੇਖੀ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਨਾ ਕਰ ਜਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਆ all right all right all right all right टाइम हो गया 3:30 तो जी अपना इसमें बन गया है हिसाब किताब क्या अपना है apologize for the misunderstanding do you want me okay let me calculate the correct MI and after values based on the calculations there are some discrepancies discrepancies oh एक मिस्टेक मैंने की है कि अगर इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो ईएमआई एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट बनती है जो मैंने मैन्युअली डाली है वो मैन्युअली मुझे डालनी नहीं चाहिए थी पहली बात तो और अभी देखते हैं कि अगर हम वो करते हैं तो एग्जैक्ट मैन्युअली अमाउंट सही नहीं कर पाते हैं मतलब 6,600 रुपया कुछ बताया मैंने और अगर हम करते हैं 36 परफेक्ट नहीं है भाई सही है दिस इज डिफरेंस पर मंथ loan at 12% annual interest for 36 months total amount payable should be 2,39,000 for 14302. Total interest payable should be 39,000. Interest paid. Okay, I'm gonna change it to this. Let me just click this. Must be two nearest value. So yeah, okay. So it is decimal. This has to be text monthly amount. Um, monthly MI has to be text. MI has to be what do we number? Number तो नहीं है but ये text good. I think it will be fine now. If it is this, then it will go now. Right. Okay. If this is the amount, then our total monthly payable for now is this, and remaining balance is sorry. I need to see pending amounts. 2 lakh house 2 lakh. MI summary. Wait. Um, total paid till now 32,000. Let me just calculate about this. It is 15th of August. Sorry, that's right. Is it? Yeah. 6 months around. Just 5 months. 5 multiplied by 6642 point 82. 33,000. 5 months. It is about 33,000. 214. Okay, let's see. 214.3. Just incorrect. Total paid now. Incorrect. I have to see that how we are calculating that and interest paid. All right, we need to check that as well. And upcoming payments, pending payments, 203. Okay, and the total amount he said here we have new pending payments must be this. Okay, total paid till now is remaining. We have capital amount, and if this is the amount that we have to pay each month, say each month, if this one to till 36 months, 36 months, multiply by 36, then this should be the then this should be the yeah, it's just points difference. Okay, total amount of value should be this, and total interest value should be this. So, and in this amount, how will I check the interest? View analysis. Annual rate, monthly rate, annual rate divided by convert the monthly decimal to 856. This total amount payable is total interest payable. Total interest payable कैसा है? Interest payable total amount कैसे करना होगा? Total amount कैसे बनेगी? The total amount that we have EMI multiply by so EMI how we are doing monthly rate. That means power. Except power monthly rate 12 10. Actually, I don't understand it. Okay, I think I'm almost there. So I just don't want to keep this like very long. अगर भाई देखो मैं इसको फिक्स करके पुश कर ही दूंगा तो यू कैन चेक दिस ऑन डेली एक्सपेंस यू कैन टाइप डेली एक्सपेंस ट्रैक करके और ये आ जाएगा भाई तुम्हारे पास तुम यहाँ जाओगे यहाँ पे तुम्हारे आएगा ऐसे इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है पीडब्ल्यू यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा लॉग इन करो और बैलेंस दिखाओ अपना ट्रैक करो कितनी हो गया करना चाहते हो तो भाई बट अगर प्रोजेक्ट देखना है तो यू कैन जस्ट विजिट दैट वेबसाइट so I think I'm gonna fix this out मैं इसको fix करके ही जाऊंगा but I want to take some break right now so that's all for now bye if you I think ये तो थोड़ा boring हो गया but if I will be working on some other interesting project other than this so you will be getting notified if you will subscribe so make sure you subscribe bye और ये नहीं पता कि ये सब स्ट्रीम बंद कैसे होगी भाई स्टॉप करूँगा मैं इसको you will not be able to read